Donald Trump Jr. made a joke involving the number Me Too movement on Friday during a freewheeling panel discussion touching on guns and the LGBT community that was broadcast at the Conservative Political Action Conference, CPAC. The discussion took place at Liberty University and was live-streamed to monitors at CPAC, where conservatives were gathering this week. Trump Jr. was joined by girlfriend Kimberly Guilfoyle, Liberty University President Jerry Falwell Jr. his wife Becky Falwell and conservative activist Charlie Kirk. The exchange began after Becky Falwell noted that she recently welcomed a granddaughter named Reagan. Trump joked that he had pushed for the girl to be named Trump, to which Jerry Falwell responded that the Trump name was not feminine. "We're gonna take a page out of the liberal playbook," Trump Jr. joked before discussing gender identity. It doesn't matter, we can identify how we want." Becky Falwell responded that she is a daughter and that we're raising her as a girl. "We're not letting her have a choice. God makes the choice of what the babies are gonna be. And God decided she was a girl." Jerry Falwell noted that Reagan would surely have it all, adding, "My boys always had guns in their hand." #MeToo, Trump responded, drawing laughs from the student audience. President Trump's eldest son has been critical in the past of the Me Too movement, which was created to spark a conversation about and combat sexual misconduct. In October, in the wake of sexual misconduct allegations against then Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh, Trump Jr. said the movement made him fear more that his sons would be falsely accused of misconduct than for his daughters.